Hi, guys. Welcome to another episode of House of Trades. I am Rashmi. Today, we are going to check the status of the market. And currently, I see that there is a steep downfall, and the current candle is a bearish candle. Yeah. If you see, the price started at 1.04454, and currently, the closing shows on 1.044428. Okay, so it is a bearish candle, and the trend is also down falling. It is decreasing, it is declining at the time. However, let me just check the support and resistance. Okay, for example, if, as you can see here, earlier the price has taken support at this level. Okay, so it might hit here on this level and hit back towards upwards. Okay, previously it has taken a support over here, then over here, and over here. That's somewhere around here. Okay, so let me just draw these lines, and that's where it is. Okay, it's here. Now let's see in the past. Currently we are on this level, okay, which is 1.04394. That's the price. Okay, and the candle is still moving. Let's see, the previous support was taken at this level, at the same level. Let's see, before that, when was the price, on that same, when did it take a support on the same level? I think it goes back till, if you just minimize this, yeah, just zoom in, zoom out. Okay, if you see here, we are on, okay, here, today, that's today. But if you see on this date, that is on 16th of June, that's when the same, the support was taken by the it was on the same price. The support was taken and the graph moved up till here. Okay, so um I still feel that if we take, if we think that the price may move up, okay, or let's see what's the support below. We see, okay, this is the place. Okay, if it goes down, the price goes down further, it will go till up till here, because earlier it had taken a support at this price. Okay, so that's somewhere around on the 14th June, 14th to 17th June, somewhere around there. Okay, so I still feel that the price will move downwards. Okay, hence, before taking any decisions, I would like to calculate, take it strategically, and let's follow other charts as well. That is on M5 and other charts, time frames. Let's see that. Okay, the minute one time frame. I can see that this price is moving up currently, but there is a downfall. Okay, mid early F5. There, it's declining. The current candle seems to be moving up, but there is a decline. Okay, from this level till here, it is decline. Okay, or maybe if you consider even this candle, it's decline. It is a bearish formation at the moment. Okay, F30 shows a upward candle, but the down, there is a downtrend going on. If you see from this level till here, okay, so it may it may go down below, is what I feel. Okay. Even on the H1, you can see there's a downtrend. Here also here downtrend. Okay. Let me just calculate the risk and the reward. Okay. And then only we can take any calls. So currently, if you consider this as the support, okay, if you see, as I mentioned before, let me just zoom it out. Okay. Here, it has taken the price is, in the past, taken a support at this time, at this, money, not money, the price. Okay. And then it's gone upwards. Okay. So I feel that the price will still, continue to decline, touch the support somewhere here. Okay. And then move up. Hence, I would like to take a sell call at the time, but considering the risk to reward ratio, okay, let me zoom out. What I feel is at the moment, okay, this was the support. If the price goes below, then it will touch this, the next level, that is over here. Okay. But you have to calculate the risk to reward ratio as well, which should be in a proportion of 1:2. Hence, if you consider this as the resistance, okay, then it doesn't seems to be a potential call, because if you calculate from this point, see here, okay, if it goes down, it's somewhere around 534 points. But when you calculate here, okay, it's somewhere around 572 points. Okay. So it's more or less than, 1:1 ratio, but if you see, there is a slight support that is taken by the price at this level. That is when you consider here. Okay. This is also a small resistance it has taken, and then still declining. Hence, you consider this point. Okay. Now when you measure, okay, so this is still as 530 points, and this is, if it goes up, it's 260 points. Okay, that means it is a potential call, and we must take a sell call at the time, because even if it is a risk, then it's only 1%, whereas if it's a profit, then it will be 2 units. Okay, double the risk. Okay, so let me take a step. Okay. Okay. Sorry, there was a glitch in the system. That's the reason, I couldn't take the call. But however, that's resolved now. I have taken a sell call at the time, and I'm going to put in the margins, that is the stop loss and the take profit. So just double clicking on it. So when it's a sell, call, the profit will be downwards. That is, the more it declines, the more your profit is. And the loss will be on the, when it goes upwards. Okay, that's basic. So I am going to put these values here. So the profit will be somewhere at this, somewhere here, 100, 200 points above the support, and the loss will be somewhere around, at this level. Okay. So let me just put these values. Okay. So, okay. Now that's how it is. I've taken a sell call. I've put the values for the stop loss and the take profit. And currently it shows a profit, at the moment. Anytime you can remove, you can book your profit basically, and, come out of the call. But when you take a call, you should see where, before placing a call, you should always check these details, so that, you know, you're not into a problem. Okay. So that is the reason it's very important for you to check every aspect before taking any calls. Hence, the time frames are important. the calendars are important. The loss measurement, that is, how much loss you might, be able to face or maybe able to bear is important. You have to, project that as well. How much profit can you take is also very, very important. So if I feel like, what I do is always, if I see that there is loss happening, it's better to have a, lower loss than a, like, for example, it's better to have a $70 loss than having a $700 loss. Okay, so if I see that the call is going in the loss, I might, come out of the call. Uh, Basically, it's just to, minimize the loss, because I feel profit and loss are both, it goes hand by hand. So it's not like, when you have to trade, you will be only in profits. There are days wherein you get losses also. You make losses by your decisions. It's not in your hand. So it's always the funda that I follow is to have minimized loss with a certain profit. Thank you. As you can see, we considered this point as the support, this red line here, but currently the price has come down below the support. So I think it is, it may still decline. Hopefully it does. And we get to see, more profits. Currently we are on $4.88.99. That is around somewhere around $5 at the time, but it's still fluctuating. So let's be positive about it still. But currently, I can see that the price is again, uh, moved up, and because of it, we are not in loss. But earlier, we were on somewhere around, $5 to $6 in between that range. But currently, it shows somewhere around $3, okay, in some sense. So, the price, since it's somewhere nearby the support, it may, uh, go. We are right now in two positions. Two things could happen. Like, the price may take this support and even move up, okay, or it may still decline, okay. So we just have to see if it touches the stop loss, okay. So that means we'll close the call if it is touching the stop loss, or maybe it's, just decline. I mean, rising up, because the profits will be turning towards the loss, okay. So as you can see here, currently it shows $3, and we are nearby the support itself. It can happen that, the price can move upwards, or it can happen that the price can move, still decline, or maybe it can slightly move up and, down. But when it touches the stop loss, then automatically you will be out of the call. So whatever, profit is there with you, you can, you have then no option, you can't change that. So always take care when you take these calls. Whenever you are down to that support level, see to it that, what is the, current status of the price, and accordingly take calls and decisions further. I will still wait and see what happens and update you. Well, as I can see currently, the price went lowest at this level over here. Okay, that is, this was the lowest on this candle. Okay, and a new candle has started to form. Okay, and hopefully it is still declining. I can see it's a bearish formation, and let's hope for the best. Let's wait and see, what comes next further for us. So, friends, currently we are from $3. We are back on, $7, and the price still to be seems to be declining further. So this is how, you have to keep a check always on, profits and your stop losses and your take profits and your current profit. Okay, because it's if you monitor things, it is easier for us to manage losses. You can take right decisions in the right time. Okay, So I will still further wait because I still feel that, it's going to decline and it will touch the support or over here. And then it may, go back upwards. So I'm just waiting to watch. Let's see. So, friends, we are currently on $11 profit. And I can see that the price is still steeping downwards. It's declining. There is a steep decline from this point. Okay, this is the resistance, highest resistance at the time, which is on the price was 1.06058, and the price, declined from that level, that is from 28th of June. Okay, until today, that is 30th of June. That's currently wherein, it's somewhere here. The price is going to the lowest at the time. Okay. So we need to keep an eye on what will happen further. Just wait and watch. So, friends, as you can see, we are currently nearing the earlier, support. If you see here, see, wait, let me just zoom out. Okay. So, okay, we are currently over here somewhere. Okay. This is where we are at the moment. And previously, as you can see, it is taken a support at this point. Okay, this is the point. It can be here, here, somewhere here. So the last support that was taken was at this level. Okay, so the price currently can go till this, level or maybe beyond that. But, now it's the time for us to be, careful and make decisions accordingly. Okay, because any point of time it is already starting to touch the support. So I feel it may touch it somewhere here and then go back and rise. All right, so let's be very careful about it. So guys, as you can see, we are again on the next candle, and the take profit is great. That's the reason you can see the TP that's on the let me finalize this area. Okay, has gone green because it has touched the take profit. You can see there is a formation of another candle which is again declining. It's a bearish candle formation. So hope for the best, and the profit that you see here is somewhere around $17, 16 to $17 as of now. So let's hope for the best. Let's keep that spirit up. If you see, guys, as you can, uh, we are very close to the take profit, which we have marked on the systems. Hence, the take profit column was highlighted in this. Currently, as you can see here, this is the dotted lines represent, these dotted lines, they represent the take profit, and we are over here. Okay, so let's see how much points do we need to cover to, go beyond the profit or touch this line in somewhere around 130 or 100 points. Okay, so that's how, you can be profitable if you make clear strategies and take calls. Okay, so it's exactly the, I can say here it's 122, between 122 to 130, consider 150 points, okay, to be covered. And when we touch this or maybe go beyond it, we will, take over the profit. Okay. So it's the reason why you have to take calls in a profitable manner rather than just taking calls as and when. So you have to see the mild side, the plus side, the side both the end, like, the left and the right, and then what I did. I see that the can at the moment, I'm going to stop this somehow, the call first. Otherwise, we're going to profit. Okay. So the reason I did it because somewhere we were down to this level. Okay. So this area is the area wherein, the profit, could have been disturbed. And, this is the support where earlier it had taken. So I was waiting for it to go down, but now I see that the price is going towards. Okay. So it was important for me to close it and take the profit, which was somewhere around $13, $13.28. People can. So always understand the point that when you take any decisions, these decisions should be taken on fact. Okay. And you have to see all the sides of the coin, the front and the back and the ups and the downs. Okay. That's what I need to say for the today's part. Thank you.